Hello everyone, this is Adelia from Toption. Today we are attending the exhibition in Bangladesh. The money API manufacturer in the showtime. And the ATEX is 1604F. And now we can turn to our products. Let's introduce. And this one is the Nutsche Filter. It's very famous in API. And this is the filter series. This is the reactor. We have SS reactor and the plus reactor. This is a molecular distillation treatment. And this is one gel. It can make the powder to the liquid. And this is our certification. We have PE, ATEX, EAC, CE, ISO, and so many certifications. And this one is the long-term distillation, and we can dry the powder for vehicles, and some chemicals, and botanist preparations, and for this. And this is the whole system. We have complete control, trailer, and this is the main product of the SS reactor, and with the compound. And today, we hope to see you in our booth, and we hope Toption will be your top option. See you in our booth. 1, 6, 3, 4, 5.